Hello and welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing how to turn off your active status on Facebook using an Android device. Facebook's active status feature lets your friends and contacts know when you're online or active on the app. However, if you prefer to maintain your privacy and not let others know when you're active, you can easily turn off this feature. So let's get started with the steps to turn off your active status on Facebook. Step 1. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device and tap on the Choices icon in the top right corner of the app. This will open a drop-down menu of options. Step 2. Scroll down the menu and tap on Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a screen with additional options. Step 3. Next, tap on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page for your Facebook account. Step 4. Scroll down the settings page and tap on Active Status. This will take you to the page where you can manage your active status settings. Step 5. Tap on the toggle switch next to Show when you're active to turn off your active status. The switch should turn from blue to gray when it's turned off. And that's it. You've successfully turned off your active status on Facebook using your Android device. It's important to note that when you turn off your active status, you won't be able to see the active status of your friends either. Additionally, if you message someone while your active status is turned off, they will still receive your message, but they won't know if you're currently active or not. In conclusion, turning off your active status on Facebook using an Android device is a simple process that can help you maintain your privacy and prevent others from knowing when you're online. By following these easy steps, you can easily turn off your active status and control the information that others can see about your activity on Facebook. Thank you for watching today's video, and if you found this information helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content like this.